Hey, my name is Jake with Walser Nissan Wayzata. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 2022 Nissan Kicks. We're going to take a look at the inside and the outside, some of the exterior styling. All right, so starting up front on this brand new 2022 Nissan Kicks, this one is in the SR trim level, featuring the full Nissan 360 safety shield. Up front, you're going to notice the aggressive styling of the LED headlights and fog lights. This one sports the 1.6 liter four-cylinder, boasts about 31 city, 36 highway. Stepping around the side here, we do have these really aggressive, nice looking premium alloy 17-inch wheels. Again, going with the two-tone boulder gray and black roofline. You're gonna see the turn signals integrated neatly into the mirrors with your 360 camera on the bottom. Again, one of the safety features that we offer here at Nissan. Exterior styling, again, you can see keyless entry on both the front doors. Super low profile in this midsize or compact SUV. Do have the trunk lid spoiler. Emergency braking in the rear, of course, with cross traffic alert, backup sensors, and full 360 cameras and backup camera as well. Starting in the trunk here, this one does include your 60/40 bench split folding seats here. Privacy cover to keep all your belongings nice and safe and secure in here so no one can peep in and look at what you're carrying around, right? Obviously you have your spare underneath and your drop-in mats. Super easy to access the low trunk. Again, around the rear, you're gonna see all of the backup sensors integrated and a good shot of that roof line here with the two-tone paint. So let's go ahead and jump inside and take a look at the interior. All right, so inside the brand new 2022 Nissan Kicks SR, you're gonna notice a bunch of different styling features in here, right? We have a full leather steering wheel with the orange stitching kind of throughout the entire vehicle. Luxury Primatex leather, the dual two-tone kind of match the outside as well. Both seats are heated along with the front steering wheel as well. These are all heated, some of those Minnesota nice things to have. Again, up front in the styling, we have the big 9-inch screen that houses all of your media, Bluetooth streaming capabilities. You have your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as standard in here as well. 360 cams, backup camera, even right down to your side camera, so parallel parking, and this is a breeze. Up front, as far as safety features, we do have lane departure, blind spot, forward emergency braking as well. Kind of all the things you'd expect in a compact SUV from Nissan. All right, well, let's go ahead and hop in the back seat. We can kind of show off some of the interior legroom in the back seat for the passengers. All right, stepping around the rear here, I'm about 5'7". You're gonna see I have plenty of knee space in here and plenty of headroom as well. A lot of people think with the compact SUV, roofline a little bit shorter, but I'm extremely comfortable in here. Again, rear of the seats, you're gonna have the 60/40 bench split, the same luxury Primatex leather. In the back, pretty easy access to the trunk as well from the back seat, so you have plenty of cargo capacity in here. So another thing I didn't touch on, this vehicle does come fully equipped with the Bose premium audio system with the 2 speakers here, very apparent in the driver's headrest, gives you that full 360 surround sound in this premium vehicle. All right, well, thanks again for watching the video. My name is Jake. It's been a pleasure showing you around our 2022 Nissan Kicks. If you have any further questions or want to drop by to take it out for a test drive or see it in person, feel free to give us a call or visit us at walsernissanwayzata.com.